Hey guys, don't you really hate it when this happens? A wine spill. Well, Pim's number one. Similar effect. And what about this? You're having a nice quiet shave with your good shirt on. A shaving accident. Adding insult to injury. What a nuisance. You know what's really annoying though? This schlepping back and forth to the supermarket with all that water. Yes, it's the biggest ingredient in laundry detergent. So I met an industry contact at an undisclosed location. Yep, I know a guy. Got me hooked up with some Tide Evo. Still on secret test market. There's the ingredients. Let's give it a try. My dirty shirt, one little bit of Tide Evo, and 40 minutes later, it's looking pretty darn good. No water, no film, minimal packaging. Did I mention about the water? Thanks for listening.